What if I told you that the biggest reason your money disappears isn't bad luck or low income? It's confusion. Most people can't tell the difference between what they need and what they want. And that confusion is making them broke. A need is something essential: food, shelter, basic clothing, transport to work, healthcare. A want is everything else. The latest phone designer shoes, eating out every weekend, that subscription you barely use. Here's the problem: wants are dressed up like needs. Your friend gets a new gadget, and suddenly your old one feels outdated. Ads tell you self-care means spending more. Scrolling through social media tricks your brain into thinking everyone has more, so you should too. And when you can't tell the difference, you justify every want as a need, and your spending spirals out of control. You don't feel rich, but you're spending like someone who is. The wealthy know the difference. They live below their means. They buy what they need and earn what they want. They don't let feelings make financial decisions. They let purpose do that. So the next time you're about to spend, pause and ask, do I need this, or do I just want it because I'm bored, stressed, or trying to impress someone? Mastering this one habit can save you thousands. In the next video, we'll talk about how to control emotional spending before it controls you. Subscribe to Disciplined for more videos that help you take control of your time and your mind